In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat friends. So really quickly, what you want to do is go to your Snapchat and go to your profile picture at the top left. And then from here, what you want to do is just scroll down to where you see the section where it says My Friends, and go ahead and click My Friends. And then you want to go and select someone that you want to delete as a Snapchat friend. So I'm going to choose this one, and what you want to do is click and hold. So go ahead and click and hold the name. And then you're going to have some options here, and what you want to do is go to Manage Friendship, and then go ahead and choose Remove Friend. So it's going to ask you to confirm if you want to remove this person as a friend. You would hit Remove. And there you go. Really, really quickly, that's how you would go about deleting friends on Snapchat. So I hope you found this useful, and we'll see you in the next one.